Hi everybody, I decided to dress up today. It's Dr. Stacy. I'm actually on here because I completely forgot yesterday was Tuesday and I didn't do Just the Tip Tuesday. So I wanted to just come on for 2 quick minutes for a tip for Tuesday on a Wednesday. But it's okay because I look cute and I'm all dressed up. I'm pretty and ready to go. Anyway, so today I just wanted to talk about an app that is a really, really awesome app, and it's the Gottman card app. Gottman is somebody who is really well known for therapists and people that are working on marriage counseling and relationships. So Gottman is Gottman, and it's they're called Gottman cards. Love cards? Oh God, I just forgot. Anyway, look up Gottman cards if you have the iPhone. I'm not sure if it's on other phones as far as an application. But what it is, it's an app that allows you to find out some questions that you can ask your partner about sex. There's men questions and women questions. There's also a little part on the app that allows you to find different ways to show appreciation for your partner. There's also another part of the app that allows you to find ways to express empathy and gives you different ideas. Also, listening skills, how to express your needs, different things to do together to form a better connection. So there's a lot of ways to learn about different intimacy, how to connect with your partner on a different level. There's some open-ended questions. There's also a thing about love maps, so you can see if you and your partner are on the right page. This also says I could tap to see if I change my voice. I don't know if I'm changing my voice or not, but if I did, I'm gonna go back to normal. Am I back to normal? I don't know. Anyway, this is just a little tip for the day, just the Tip Tuesday. To download that app, it's the Gottman card app. Love cards or card app. But if you put in Gottman, Gottman, you'll get this app. It's for free. And then that way you can have a lot of really cool things to do over the holiday season. If you're on vacation, you can sit together and instead of staying on your phone and playing games, you can go on your phone and actually do something fun together to help connect, because you're going to be away from work most likely, maybe on vacation with the family, doing fun things. So now is the ideal time to snuggle up next to your partner, get close, do something on your phone rather than just play around. And that is my Just the Tip Tuesday. Alrighty. Hope you have a good week. And once again, sorry it's Wednesday and I missed Just the Tip Tuesday, but keep your eye out for Friday. If anyone has any questions, make sure you send me a question so I can answer. Talk to change your voice. I am talking. Oh my God, am I talking? Am I in a weird voice the entire time? Or is this normal? Oh my God, if it's weird, oh boy, we'll have to find out. Anyway, if it is funny the whole time, I'm sorry. Okay, so send me any questions that you might have because I need to be able to have something to talk about on Friday. Talk to you soon. Bye.